wedding with his wife, Srimati Sundarasam, at Kolani, A block, 8/220, Nadia, and his phone number is 8910779628. 1968-72 batch of BCAT honors students feel privileged to facilitate Professor Dr. Som and a hearty respect to him, who was an outstanding teacher and our guide. We pray for his long and happy life. Thank you.
আমি তপন দাসকে অনুরোধ করবো এখানে আসার জন্য এবং প্রফেসর মানিক গোপাল সোমের হাতে আমাদের ছোট্ট উপহার তুলে দেওয়ার জন্য।
Professor Dibandranath Moitra was born in Akaikula village in Rajshahi district of East Bengal on 18 July 1937. He had his schooling from Malda Jilla School, ISC from Malda College. He got BSc from Central College, Kolkata in 1956. He obtained BBSc and AH degree from Bengal Veterinary College in 1960. He passed MSc Animal Husbandry in 1962 from Bihar Veterinary College under Mohor University. He stood first class in that master degree in department, and he obtained gold medal from the university. His PhD degree was from BCKVB in 1976. His service career started as lecturer in Bengal Veterinary College in 1963. In 1966, he joined Faculty of Agriculture, University of Kolkata as lecturer. He was elevated to the post of professor in 1974. He was also dean of the faculty and member of the faculty council. He retired from service in 2002. He guided 95 master degree students and 50 PhD students successfully. One of them is mine. He was external to many universities. He has attended many seminars and symposia and presented a number of papers in those seminars. He was instrumental in exporting Bengal breed of sheep to Australia for sheep development in that country. He received Lifetime Achievement Award from Indian Society of Animal Production and Management. In recognition of his outstanding service, he was honored with Doctor of Science by West Bengal University of Animal and Fishery Sciences in 2016. At present, Professor Moitra is staying with his wife at his own residence at Kolkata, Nadia. His phone number is 9433040070. 1968-72 batch of BCG honors students feel privileged to felicitate Professor Diban Moitra and pay hearty respect to him, who was an outstanding teacher and guide. We pray for his long and happy healthy life. Thank you, sir.
আমাদের ভুল আবার স্বীকার করে নিচ্ছি। কিছু সাইন্টিস্ট মানপত্র যারা চলে গেছেন আমাদের সদ্য প্রফেসর, তাদের সাথে পরিবর্তন হয়ে গেছে। আমরা কাল সকালে এটাকে ঠিক করে নেব।
Professor Ashim Kumar Mukherjee. Professor Ashim Kumar Mukherjee, born in 10th December 1935 at Kharagpur, where I spent about 42 years in my science. Professor Mukherjee is the son of Shivdas Mukhopadhyay and Renuka Mukhopadhyay. He has had his early education at Jamshedpur. He passed matric examinations in 1953 at Jamshedpur and ISc in 1955 from St. Javiers College, Calcutta. His BSc Agriculture degree from Calcutta University in 1958 and subsequently MSc Agriculture degree from Madras Agriculture University, Coimbatore in 1960. He received his PhD in 1966 from University of Missouri, USA. Professor Mukhopadhyay joined as lecturer in soil science under Faculty of Agriculture, University of Kalyani in 1960. Just 8 years back, our journey the university as students. Gradually he became reader, professor, and head of department and director of research. He finally retired from service in 2000. He guided many postgraduate students and 20 PhD research scholars in successful completion of their thesis papers. He has published a large number of research papers in many journals, apart from authoring 2 books in his subject. Professor Mukhopadhyay has unfortunately lost his partner, wife, Marina Mukherjee, in 2013. His only daughter, Aditi Chakrabarty, is lecturer in a college. Presently, Professor Mukhopadhyay is staying at his own residence at B2/46 Kalyani, Nadia. His phone number is 9831981532. 1968-72 grad of the BSc Agriculture honors from Kalyani University. The students feel privileged to facilitate Professor Ashit Kumar Mukhopadhyay and pay hearty respect to him, who was an outstanding teacher and guide. We pray for his long and happy healthy life. Thank you, sir.
At Midnam Town and brought up at Khalun village near Moscow town. After completion of ISc, he studied at Bengal Veterinary College. Then he moved to Ijaznagar, Delhi, and completed Masters in Animal Genetics from Indian Veterinary Research Institute, IVRI. His service career started as junior teacher in NDRI. Then he moved to Ulsan University and joined as lecturer in Animal Husbandry Department in 1966. In course of time, Professor Sinha became professor, head of the department and dean. He has finally retired from service in 2002. During his service career, he was member of all societies of PCKB, member of Faculty Council governing body. He was appointed as member first for Assam University by the then Honorable President of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He has guided a number of students in masters and doctoral level for completion of thesis papers. He also had published a number of research papers in many journals. After retirement, Professor China is engaged in many social activities. He is the member of Rotary Club, many NGOs, Science Forum, Ramakrishna Mission, etc. Recently, he is residing at his ancestral house, which is wide at 18 by 5 Farm Road, Kolkata 700019. His phone number is 09830583947. 1960-62 batch of PhD student feel privileged to facilitate Professor Sinha and pay hearty respect in his work on outstanding teacher and guide. We pray for his long and happy, hearty, healthy life. Thank you.
আমি স্বপন কুমার ভৌমিককে এখানে আসার জন্য অনুরোধ করব। স্বপন ভৌমিক, রাহুল সিনহার সাথে স্বপন কুমার ভৌমিক আমাদের শ্রদ্ধেয় প্রফেসর রাহুল সিনহাকে আমাদের ছোট্ট উপহার তুলে দিচ্ছেন।
Shubhendu Chaudhary, born in September 1940 at Maimansi, East Bengal, now Bangladesh. Professor Shubhendu Chaudhary had his schooling and intermediate studies in Kolkata, obtained graduation and post-graduation degree in agriculture, specialization in plant pathology, followed by PhD degree from Kolkata University. He briefly worked as a postdoctoral fellow and assistant microbiologist in Bose Institute, Kolkata from 1966 to 1971. Joined as lecturer in Department of Plant Pathology, Faculty of Agriculture, Kolkata University in 1971 and retired as Professor of Plant Pathology from Bidhan Chandra Vishwavidyalaya in 2004. At latter stage, he served as Director of Research for 5 years in BCAB. He served Government of India institutions like Indian Council of Agriculture Research and Department of Biotechnology in advisory capacity for research and development and other academic programs till 2015. In post-retirement, he served as guest teacher in Presidency College, presently University, and Scottish Church College, Kolkata, for about 8 years, 2008-9 to 2016-17. He authored many research papers in specialized scientific fields, edited some books, contributed chapters to several edited books, extensively traveled in India and abroad to participate and contributed to national and international R&D activities and seminars pertaining to his specialized scientific fields. Presently, he is involved in nature-related extracurricular activities like growing rare ornamental plants in home garden, mountaineering, bird watching and forest travel. He is involved in publishing a popular wildlife magazine in Bengali. Professor Chaudhary is married to Dr. Manju Chaudhary, who retired as medical officer from DCKB. He is father of one daughter. Presently, he is residing in his own apartment in Kolkata at flat number 7H, Orbit North View, 3 Khelat Babur Lane, Kolkata 37. His phone number